Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Hafury Note 10 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and download application to transfer data. So I can recommend you the application and clone it. And here you got the full name of this application. When you find it, you can just simply install. Let's open, and of course we have to do the same on the second smartphone. Accept all of the permission that pop-ups on your screen. It will going to happen on both smartphones. Right now click sender on your Hafury, tap allow, one more time, and on your device that you are sending data you have to select the receiver. Tap set, turn on location, go back and click receiver one more time. Right now we have to click on the search again button. And if you find here the Android share icon, you have to tap on it to connect. And we can connect in the two ways. We can scan the QR code and also we can input the password manually in this pool. So you have to pick up your way. I'm going to scan the code. It's very simple and a fast method. But if you have any problem with your camera, you can also input the password manually. Right now we have to accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data you have to select all of these icons, and after that just click start. But in my case it's only example, so I will go below for the details, and I think that I'm going to send I think that I'm going to take these two screenshots. Click start, OK, and as you can see the transfer is complete. So as you can see it's very easy and fast. I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya.